Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you how to set up your Samsung Galaxy M01 for the first time.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
To begin, power on your handset for the first time. The handset will power on and ready for initial setup. It will take 2 or 3 minutes to complete this process. Now you have to set up your handset. Tap on the arrow sign to begin the setup process. Check all the options one by one. You can uncheck the options, which are optional. Then tap on Next. You can add to any Wi-Fi network. You can also turn off Wi-Fi, or you can skip this. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account and more. Or you can do this later. Change the date and time if it is needed. Then tap on Next. Scroll down. Then tap on Accept. You need to protect your phone with security. For this, you can choose face recognition, pattern, PIN, or password. If you want to add this later, tap on Skip. From the confirmation menu, tap on Skip Anyway. This apps will be installed when you connect your phone with Wi-Fi. You can uncheck the apps which you don't want to install. Then tap on Next. You can sign into your Samsung account, or you can do this later. From the confirmation menu, tap on Skip. Then finally, tap on Finish. Now scroll up from the bottom of the screen and tap on OK. Now tap on Done from the bottom. That's it. Your phone setup has been completed, and it is ready to use. So in this way, you can set up your Samsung Galaxy M01 for the first time. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.